This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Gale Upchurch. This is the one. Beautiful move-in ready, all brick 1.5-story home. Immaculate, well-maintained and updated home boasts of gleaming hardwood floors, open floor plan, neutral pane palette, master ensuite, all-seasons/flex room, frog 4th bedroom/office/exercise room. Enjoy your morning coffee or afternoon cocktails on the peaceful back deck, which has been enhanced with no-maintenance trex decking. Patio has been designed leading from the back deck steps, which is great for entertaining. Bonus fenced backyard for child and pet safety. Well-established neighborhood, sought after Chittum and Western Branch Schools. No HOA. For more information, review the details below.